Hello everyone, I'm Arjan.
I'm Aradhana.
And in this video, we're presenting the challenges we'd have to face if we were to colonize Mars.
We'll be talking about resources on Mars, challenges of colonizing Mars, and how a trip to Mars can kill you.
For as long as humanity has been watching the skies, we've been fascinated by the possibility that other worlds much like Earth might contain living organisms. Spacecraft exploration of Mars has shown that the essential resources for life support are present on the Martian surface. That is, the key life support compounds oxygen, nitrogen and H2O are available on Mars.
Among our discoveries about Mars, one stands above all others. What is that? The possible presence of liquid water, either in its ancient past or preserved in the subsurface today.
Challenges on colonizing Mars. Well, for one, unlike Earth, at present there is no evidence of a livable atmosphere under which planets or other organisms would survive on Mars. Its thin atmosphere is less than 1% of Earth's, consisting of 96% carbon dioxide, 1.9% nitrogen, 1.9% argon, and trace amounts of oxygen and carbon monoxide. And because it has no magnetic field, solar winds blow away any gases. So if we're going to live on Mars, it'll either be in CO domes or CO tubes underground.
There's no lack of warnings regarding the colonization of Mars. If a colony was established, it would take continuous efforts and major expenses to keep it supplied, including likely rescue missions. Furthermore, the long-term isolation of the colonists may take its toll.
Space colonization dreams are not entirely devoid of economic interest. The international space industry is said to be worth in the order of some $400 billion a year and predicted to grow to nearly $3 trillion over the next 3 decades. These are the main challenges we'd be facing if we were to colonize Mars.
What ways could a trip to Mars get you killed? Here's how you can die on your way to Mars before even leaving Earth. Your rocket could blow up before even leaving Earth. You could suffer serious radiation exposure from a solar flare.
You could crash on Mars' surface while trying to land. Mars' low gravity might wreak havoc on your bones and muscles. Your spacesuit or habitat could leak and you can't breathe Martian air.
Poisoned by the toxins in Mars' soil. Number 7. Your fellow travelers could drive you crazy.
So in conclusion, life on Mars is possible, but for now, we're limited by the technology of our time.